In question 29, our target is to prove A plus B plus C equals 360 degrees. Here are the angles A, B and C, respectively. Note that, when we are going to prove something, the conclusion must appear at the destination of our proof. We will not start our proof by writing down A plus B plus C equals 360 degrees at the beginning. Let me show you how to prove it. In the figure, there is no common transversal connecting the two parallel lines. We probably have to add a line. This line acts as a linkage. Let's add the line here. Label it as XR, such that XR is parallel to both PQ and TS. Noted that we split angle B into two parts, B1 and B2, which are not equal. We have B equals B1 plus B2. For the upper part, we see that PQ and XR are parallel. So we have A plus B1 equals 180 degrees. We have to write down the corresponding reason, which is interior angles, PQ parallels XR. Similarly, for the lower part, we see that XR and TS are parallel. So we have B2 plus C equals 180 degrees. The corresponding reason is also interior angles, but this time, XR parallels TS instead. How can we relate them to our destination? We see that there are two 180 degrees and one 360 degrees. Should we add the two equations together? Let's try. A plus B1 plus B2 plus C equals 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. Let's recall that B1 plus B2 equals B. We come to a conclusion. A plus B plus C equals 360 degrees. Let's talk about a common mistake students usually made in this chapter. In this question, it is given that x plus y equals 360 degrees. And we have to prove AB is parallel to CD. The question asks us to prove that AB is parallel to CD. It have not been proved, but many students will use the properties of AB parallels to CD in their steps. For example, they see that there is a parallel symbol between AB and CD in the question. At the same time, AB and CD in the figure looks parallel to each other as well. So the students may write angle ABC equals angle BCD equals X, with a reason, alternate angles AB parallels CD. But actually, we do not have the information that AB is parallel to CD. In fact, this is the statement we have to prove. We should bear in mind that the statement we have to prove must appear at the destination of our proof, and we cannot use the corresponding properties before we proving it. Let's get back to the question. To solve this type of question, we can think backwards. If we want to have AB parallels CD, we should have angle ABC equals angle BCD. So, if angle BCD equals X, it will be good, because we can use the reason, alternate angles equal, to prove AB parallels CD. Let us find angle BCD now. We have angle BCD plus y equals 360 degrees. The corresponding reason is angles at a point. Then, angle BCD equals 360 degrees minus y. Since it is given that x plus y equals 360 degrees. So x equals 360 degrees minus y too. angle BCD equals 360 degrees minus y also. So we have angle BCD equals x. Now, angle BCD equals angle ABC. Then we can write down the conclusion. AB parallels CD. With a corresponding reason, alternate angles equal.